up in the Sierra Nevada mountains outside of Nevada City and Grass Valley. We've had a big storm come through the last day and a half. It's still continuing up at higher elevations. I wanted to go further up, but Caltrans and CHP have the roads closed, so you can't even get up into the Sierra right now. But where I'm at is about 2,500 feet in elevation, and I rolled up to this trail, never been to before. I'm gonna go check it out. There's snow on the ground here, there's snow on the trees, so kind of this picture of shooting a really nice shot in the pine trees, maybe a little bit of snow coming down. It's been a little bit of sprinkles of snow since I've been here. I've been here about 10 minutes getting set up. So anyways, here we go. Gonna go and figure it out again. So anyways, thanks for coming along. I'm gonna pack up here and get going. On the trail, I got a shot I have set up right here, composed. Shot looks something like that, with the trail winding past that tree in the foreground and the snowy pines back behind. I think it kind of leads your eye through the scene, so we'll see how this one comes out. Just walking by this. It's not a pine tree, it's some sort of deciduous tree, but it has these beautiful moss, or I don't even know what it is. It's like little bitty plants growing out the side of the tree. So I'm gonna take a couple closer up detail shots of this. It's just super pretty. Got another composition set up here. For some reason I seem to like the trail winding through the scene situation, but I really like this tree over here to the right. It's got a bunch of that mossy stuff growing on it. Really gnarly, like stump area where something cut off in the past, and there's like water down in there. Pretty cool. Last night when I was trying to scope out some secondary options in case the roads were closed, which they are, this ridiculous storm going on up above 6,000 feet. They're talking about like up to 10 feet of snow just in this one event. So, I mean, I wasn't expecting to get real far up the hill. But anyways, I was scoping out on some trails on Google, and I found this. This is the one I'm at, that I decided to go to, and it was called something like a canal trail. There's a couple photos on Google that kind of showed this canal that runs along the trail. And anyways, I just found it, and so I'm gonna turn the camera around and give you an idea what I'm looking at. So here's this canal. Off to the right over there, it runs onto private property, but over here it's like this state park. I think it's a state park. Anyways, this canal just winds along this trail. kind of like mid-slope. It's really bizarre, but really cool. So this was one of my goals when I got here, if I could get here, was to shoot some photos of this canal. So I'm gonna get set up and take some shots and see how it goes. Got a little bit of snow coming down again. Hasn't done that in about 45 minutes. So hopeful to get some good shots. Yes, I don't know if you can hear the pines or not, but it's really cool. Out there in the distance, in between those two taller pines, there's a smaller little pine that's all covered up in snow. It is so nice in here. I was almost going to ditch going out today because of the weather and uncertainty as to whether I could get up where an area where there's some snow. Darn, I'm so happy I came out. I always am when I have doubts about stuff and I just kind of go and do it. It always seems to work out. So anyways, yeah man, just really grateful again for being able to do this. All right, been out here about an hour and a half. Starting to get cold. Wind's really starting to pick up quite a bit. So I'm heading back to the car. Might catch a few more shots along the way. But yeah, this was a great spot. Definitely come back here again. It'd be fun to bring the dog too. She'd probably like this trail. A little bit muddy right now, so I'd be giving her a bath if I had brought her with me today. But anyways, yeah, this was a good one. Super excited it came out. Super excited you guys are watching with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.